And today at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, we have another needle in the haystack. A one owner, since new, 1995 Ford F250 extended cab, long bed, XLT 4-wheel drive with 59,000 actual miles. This is a big block, 7.5 liter, 59,000 actual miles, 100% rust free, 100% corrosion free, 100% accident free. Shows like new. I would bet this is factory original paint on the truck. Factory two-tone, beautiful striping. ALCOAS that are in new condition. I did repaint the front hood, and that is about the only thing I had to do to this truck cosmetic wise. There's no dents, there's no scratches, there's no clear coat fading or peeling or any issues whatsoever. This is a Garage Queen F250 long bed. This truck shows that it has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed whatsoever. The condition of this truck is just insanely amazing. The bed is like brand new. This is a 32-year-old truck with a bed that looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. There's not a dent, there's not a split, there's not a crack. Tailgate as well is literally in new condition. Take a look at the jams. Even the original weather stripping here, it's still intact. You do not find trucks like this every day. It does have the camper package when the gentleman would have his camper on it. That is your plug-in right there. Like I said, this is an XLT. You got rear slider, towing mirrors, power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise control. You got trailer brakes. This is a non-smoker truck, and the interior is just literally like brand new. There's no cracks in the vinyl, in the plastic. There's no splitting. There's no stains on the carpet or any of it. 59,000 original miles. Take a look at this 30-plus-year-old interior. You just don't see interiors in this condition every day. Headliner shows excellent condition as well. There's no sagging, there's no rips, there's no tears, there's no stains. Same goes for the dash and the dash pad. Look at that, it's literally like brand new. These are all known. They were exposed to extreme sun or cold. They split and cut up. Not the case here. The 59,000 miles shows on this truck. When you look at it, you would know and you can tell that this is not a beat up truck. This is not an abused truck. This is the cream of the crop. Let's put this up. You got 3 passenger seating in the back. There's your cup holders still intact. They're not broken. That's the one on the other side. Take a look at this carpet. It is literally like brand new. You got front captain chairs. Non-smoker. The ashtray has never been used, nor has the lighter. Manual 4-wheel drive actuator. Let's go on the other side. We just did a fresh service on this truck. Put brand new 33-inch BF Goodrich KO3s on the excellent condition, freshly polished ALCOAS. These KO3s 285s are 10-ply rating. The paint and the striping on this truck is excellent. There's one little tiny rock chip right here that has been touched up. There's a little spot right here on the striping. I want to try to point out everything that I can see, and there's a little scratch right here that got touched up. I don't think there was anything else, but I'm going to do an extra walk around one more time to show off any issues here that I could possibly see, or rock chips or any of that stuff. But I really walked it multiple times. There they are. Right here. There's my two fingers. You really have to look really deep to see these couple little nicks and rock chips. Now part of, let me go here. Like I said, we just did the fresh service on it. So with the service, we did a new battery, a new AC, air conditioning compressor. Oh, right here. We did all new driving belts. So your serpentine belt, power steering, your alternator, those are all new. Let's open the hood here. So we got all new belts. We did new front brakes, new front rotors. We did brake fluid flush, a fresh oil change, and an oil filter, a new windshield washer pump, new battery, and new rear wheel hub seal. We also did a fresh coolant flush. All the hoses, etc., have been inspected. Clamps checked, tightened. This truck is ready to go. There is no oil leaks. Runs super smooth. This is just as nice as you can get one. So you have a complete service, new brakes, new rotors, new tires, all new driving belts, fresh coolant, new battery, oil change, oil filter, AC service, fresh charge, brake fluid flush. Every light bulb works on the truck perfectly. AC blows super cold. Here's the driver's side interior. Let me get this thing fired up so I can have you hear it. This truck comes with all the original books, manuals, 2 sets of keys. Odometer reads 59,363. There we are. All the gauges work. Both fuel tanks work and read correctly. There's the front. Here's the rear. See the gauge dropping. It's a little less. We'll go back to the front. This is the driver's seat that is in extreme clean condition. The armrest. 59,000 original miles. Your CB radio. Now the gentleman had the transmission completely overhauled and rebuilt less than 6,000 miles ago as well. So he got all new, completely overhauled transmission. And I got the paperwork for it and the receipt. Let's go take a look at the paint on the roof. Windshield is in excellent condition. There's no rock chips. There's no issues. Driver's door panel. Let's check out our power windows. Tracks have been cleaned, lubricated. Look how fast that goes. Just as of the day it was purchased brand new. There's the passenger window up. Passenger window down. Door locks. There's your interior dome light. Well, let's turn the lights on outside. Let's turn the hazards on. Turn the AC on. Let's check out all of our lighting outside. We got the beautiful polished tow mirrors. nothing like a set of excellent ALCOAS with brand new BFGs and I love the raised white letters with the two-tone outside, just perfect. Here's your headlights, here's your turn signals. Look at that chrome bumpers, and here's the headlights. The bumper is like also like new. Local Oregon truck, since new. 100% rust-free and corrosion-free. Perfect looking bed. Here's your tail lights and turn signals. There's license plate bulb. So in 30 plus years, you got a little scratch right here and a couple little nicks that I pointed out and a little flaw here on the stripe. Tell me you can find something this nice again. Fully serviced. You go. There's your new AC pump. All new belts. There's no squeaking. There's none of that. Let's go ahead and close that. I'm trying to look for my AC tester. I think I forgot it in the truck yesterday, possibly, and I didn't pull it out. I guarantee you the AC works. I thought I got it ready and brought it, but I didn't. But I'm happy to. If you don't believe me, when you want to buy it, I'm happy to do a video for that for you. The AC is blowing super cold. Let's turn the hazards off. Here is the horn. Here is the windshield. We go the second speed, and here's the third speed. I have my salesman Hugo looking for it. I'm pretty sure I forgot it in the truck from yesterday. Let's check out the cigarette lighter. Wait for that. There's your wheel console. One finger. Oh, here's the cigarette lighter. Look at that, brand spanking new. And that's full crank. Now, there we go. No play at all. It's nice and tight. There's your cruise control. Give it a few revs. Again, like I said, that is a one-owner Oregon truck. Great survivor, collector quality, fully serviced. There's one key here and one key on the ground there. New transmission, 6,000 miles ago. All the fluids have been gone through. Let's turn the lights off. If you've been looking for the cream of the crop, you have found it. Beautiful color combination. The good news, I can qualify this 1995 F250 for new car financing. What that means, I can finance it up to 84 months and as low as 6.99 interest rate on approved credit. No, your bank, not your credit union, not USAA or Navy Federal or anybody, any banking institution will finance this truck for the interest rate or for the terms that I can offer you. You would need classic car financing, Haggerty style. But with classic car financing, I don't know if the 3/4 ton truck would qualify for that, number one. Then number two, it's more for collectors where to just park it in your collection. They limit you on the miles, etc. So it's not something that you gotta go pull your boat with it or trailer or anything. You're gonna be insured or financed. I can do it. Number two, I can help you ship this bad boy right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in Hawaii, whether you're in New York or Rhode Island or Utah, South Carolina, North Dakota. Take a look at how straight this is. Whether you're in Chicago or New Mexico, whether you're in California or Washington or local to us here in Oregon, I can help you ship it. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. I have shipped thousands and thousands of trucks. I know how to deal with shippers. I know how they work. I make sure I vet them. They're insured, bonded. I only work with A+ rated shippers. So you don't have to deal with the brokers and etc. We can definitely do that. This is just something extra that I like to do and make sure, help my clients to make sure I get them these trucks in the best shape, the same way they're here, right to their door. You can also fly in. I'm 15 minutes from Portland International Airport and drive it home. I have zero hesitation of jumping in this truck, filling it up with gas and doing a 3,000-mile trip on it tomorrow. We are Jordan Motorsports. We deal and specialize in pre-emission, low mileage, rust-free diesel trucks. We've been doing this for a very long time. Let's make this yours.